it's Bob McCraney with This Month in Realty, and today I am so happy to have back Jamie Harnish. Now, Jamie is with Bosley Real Estate, serves the Toronto area, Yonge and Eglinton, and surrounding neighborhoods. Jamie, tell us about the market up there.
Hi, Bob. Thank you for having me again. I'd say, generally speaking, the market is similar to what we talked about last month, where it's a tale of two markets. So the freehold market is, continuing its appreciation and its kind of upward trajectory, and the condo market is continuing to falter and kind of go a little bit further down that downward spiral. I would say on the freehold side of things, the pace has probably slowed a little bit. So in July, August, and even September, it was a very, very frenzied pace. And then recently, a home that is so-so maybe wouldn't get quite the attention that it normally would. The seller and listing agent might set it up for, intentionally underpricing and holding back on offers for like an offer night or like an auction night, if you will, a week later. And then sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't sell on that night, and then is maybe kind of coming back to market, relisting at their market expectations, and then usually selling after that happens. But that was kind of unheard of in probably July and August. So a little bit of a slowing of the pace, but still an upward trajectory in terms of prices for the freehold market.
Okay. So how is the condo market faring in Toronto right now?
Poorly. So condo market has continued to slide. I would say the slide really kind of accelerated starting in about September and continued through October. So we're seeing elevated days on market, elevated times that properties are sitting. As far as statistics are considered, as of right now, as of today, there's just a little under 6,400 condo properties on the market for the city of Toronto, and that's up 12% from the end of October. So in October, it was just a little over 5,700, and now we're just under 6,400 properties available in the condo market. When you look at October of 2019, so just to look at a year-over-year comparison, in October of 2019, there was about 2,100 condo properties, active listings available during that month. So that's almost 173% increase in active listings year over year from October 2019 to October 2020. Meanwhile, sales are down just a little under 9%. So inventory, looking year over year, completely skyrocketed, and demand is down. Prices, when you look at year over year, we're about flat with October of last year. So year over year, we've seen a 0.7% increase in condo prices. So whatever kind of gains the condo market was making over the spring and even through the summer, through COVID, the condo market was still pretty active in June and July, and maybe starting to slow down in August. We're now flat with last year. So it'll be interesting to see when we talk next month whether we will see a year-over-year decrease comparing November 19 to November 2020.
Okay. So, do you feel do you see the flattening of the condo market as an opportunity for anyone else?
Yeah, huge opportunity for anybody who had trouble getting into the condo market, even as little as 4 to 5 months ago. It was multiple offers and pretty good. Like, condos were still getting snapped up relatively quickly. And then shortly after, things just kind of took a turn. So anybody who in June or July was like, I just can't get in, now the world is your oyster. And so, that's an opportunity. I would say investors to a degree. The problem is that the rental market is also taking a huge slide. So, you can do pretty well on the buy side, but then you're going to get hit on the rental side as well. So it sort of depends on your ability to kind of withstand a bit of vacancy. But there's no question that anybody who's looking to purchase a condo, there has not been a better time in at least the last decade. And the Toronto market had a short blip in that kind of recessionary period, 2008, 2009, of about 6 to 7 months, maybe 8 months at the most. But if you strip away that, because that's not even a year, it's probably 15, 20 years the condo market hasn't been as attractive for a buyer. So it's absolutely a buyer's market. But for those first-time buyers, converting renters to buyers, end users. It's has not been a better time to be a buyer.
Okay, great. So Jamie, how would somebody get a hold of you?
So call me or text at 416-428-8892. That's my cell. You can also email me at jharnish@bosleyrealestate.com. Any social media platform, I'm available. Somebody's probably seeing this either on Facebook or YouTube. You can message me directly through that. If you literally just Google Jamie Harnish Toronto, up comes my my Google profile, and people can contact me very easily in any way, shape, or form.
Wonderful. This has been This Month in Realty. Tune back in next month to hear more from Jamie and other real estate experts around Canada and the United States. Take care.
Thank you, Bob.